Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to print selected pages on your Microsoft Word document. So if you want to have a custom print job, or if you want to just have only odd or even pages print out, I'm going to show you guys how to make that selection. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab in the Word document that you're trying to print and go down and select the print option on the left panel here. Underneath settings, click on the drop down, and right at the bottom here, there's only print odd pages as well as only print even pages. That's an easy option here, right, for you to go select one or the other. You can also, if you just select custom print in the pages field, you can type in a specific range or individual pages you want to print out. So if you want to do a range, you can type pages 1 to 4 and then comma 6 to 10. You can also print out individual pages here as well. So if you want to do page 14, you can just do a comma for that. And then you could do 19, for example. And then when you select print, it will go ahead and print them out. Make sure you select the proper printer here as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.